Hello everyone, and welcome to question number 10 of the free Machine Design and Materials exam offered at engineeringappliedpractice.com. Let's look at the problem statement. At a manufacturing facility, a new machine will make one part every 3 seconds. The machine runs 16 hours per day and 300 days per year. 3 parts per 100 are scrapped. The company needs to know how many machines to buy in order to make 50 million parts in 5 years. So let's look at sort of what we got going on in this problem. The manufacturer is making parts. They give parts per second, hours per day, and days per year. So that should give some parts per year. We also have some scrapped parts in the manufacturing process. And the goal of this problem is to see how many machines it would take to make 50 million parts in 5 years. So looking at this, let's say we make one part every 3 seconds. They run 16 hours per day. So we're going to say that there's 3,600 seconds per 1 hour. And they run 16 hours per day. And 300 days per year. So let's stop with that for now. Looking at our units, days will cancel, hours will cancel, seconds will cancel. So we're looking at parts per year right now. So let's punch this in the calculator, and we're going to get 5,760,000 parts per year. Okay, so now let's take care of this scrapped line right here. So we have 5,760 parts per year. Now let's say 100 parts, 3 are scrapped. So if we multiply that by 3 over 100, we are going to get 172,800. Get my commas right. Scrap per year. So now let's subtract this from this. So what I'm saying is we want to find out how many good parts there are per year. So we're going to take 5,760,000 minus 172,800, and we're going to get 5,587,200. And this is I'll put G parts per year, or good parts per year. Okay, so we're almost there. So now we have this. We need to know how many parts that would make in 5 years. So 5,587,200 parts, G parts per year, times 5 years. Say the years cancel here. And we would get 27936,000. So 27.9 million. So, okay, we arrive at this. This is how many parts, good parts, you're going to make in 5 years. Now the question is, how many machines would you need to make 50 million parts? So I'm going to simply divide 50 times 10 to the 6 parts divided by 27.93 times 10 to the 6 parts. So 50 divided by 27.9 is approximately 1.79 machines. Okay, you can't have a partial machine, so with that logic, you would say you'd need to get 2 machines to meet this goal. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.